Hello, everyone. Have you ever copied something and wished there was an easy way to turn it into a link, especially when Excel makes pasting images a struggle? That little moment where you think, there has to be a better way. And then I remembered Clipboard to Link from Quto.dev, the tool that turns whatever you copy into an instant link so effortlessly.
Here's the part I love. Let's walk through a simple step-by-step demo of how Clipboard to Link works instantly. First, just copy what you need, exactly the way you always do. Next, press Ctrl or Command+V to paste it into Clipboard to Link. That's all you need to do. And instantly, your shareable link appears. No saving, no uploading, no searching. Just paste, and it's done. Just like this, we have so many tools under one roof, and your peace of mind comes back with it. That's what Quto.dev gives you, every essential tool in one simple place, so you can focus, code, and actually breathe again. Give it a try. It saves time, reduces stress, and makes your days so much easier. Thank you.